Okay, first we go to download the orange icon, grab icon and orange icon. Then we drag and drop here. Okay. Then right click to create a scriptable object. Create scriptable object and we call it as item data. Okay. Rename it item data. Okay, double click and you copy this coding, okay, toward here. Okay, so this is the parameters that you want to use in your script, your object. Okay, we have a sprite, string name and description, and bool. Is it stackable or not? Okay, and then right click, create inventory item data. Okay, we call it as an apple. So you fill in the apple information, apple, and you search for the apple icon. Okay, description, apples is red, stackables. Again, we have three, so we need to create three scriptable object. So next, we call orange. So orange, sprite, orange. Orange is orange color. Okay, so next, okay, inventory data, we call it as a grab. So same thing, we choose the grab, this one, and then the item name, grapes, description, grape is nice. Okay, forgot to mention that you choose your icon here, must make sure the sprite mode changes to singles. Click apply. Okay, is it okay? So done for our scriptable object.